So this is a GoPro Hero 5. I begged my mom to buy me a GoPro back in 2017. I was kind of formal at that moment, you know. I just wanted the latest stuff, you know, the latest smartphone, the camera, the laptop. But I never regret getting this, because after getting this bad boy, I started recording every single crucial moment in my life. To be honest, I think this little tiny stuff is not just a camera for me. It's more like a pill. I will take it if I want to go back to those moments. October 2nd, 2017. That's the year my mom turned 18 again. My father made a money flower for my mom. God damn, what a sweet man. W in the chat. That's me. By the way, I have a sister, but she wasn't there. Probably she was in Singapore, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god, mom. You're so pretty. That's me? Well, we look so young. What the hell? Well, one thing that I love about this school is I met all of these amazing friends. And one thing that I hate the most is we are not allowed to use phone or camera in the school, even during the break. But who cares, right? Look at them. They're fighting in the class. Holding my GoPro. And what the hell was that? This is our traditional Lao Yu Sen, mixed with strange vegetable and variety of sauces and condiments, blah 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 blah. Also, this is not allowed to do in the school. As a photographer, I mean, you have to do your job, right? Even you really want to listen with them. Sure, I miss the moment which I could actually just put my GoPro down, just enjoy it. But without a doubt, looking back then, I'm glad I was so enjoy doing this kind of stuff, tagging videos, photos, because it's my passion. April 7, 2018. We went to Bali for a wedding. My lovely uncle and auntie. It's the best experience in my entire life. I swear to God. The food, the view, the vibe, and the people. Dude, I just want to go back, to be honest. My little beautiful cousin, I miss you so much, and please don't grow too fast. 4th May 2019, coming of age. The day I realized I'm no longer the boy anymore. The day I realized how many white hairs my mother has. The day I taught my dad how to use his camera. It's kinda hard to explain my feeling at that moment. Mixed and bittersweet. It's my high school graduation day. I went to the parking lot 1 hour earlier than before. I was just sitting in the car, just chilling, and enjoy the last day being a student. But we didn't cry. I don't know why. Maybe it's more like a celebration for us. Last summer, location unknown.
She would feel like she misses you. I don't know if you will miss her, but you guys cannot actually.
She's Melina. aka my mentor. We were actually talking about love. But man, what is love? And what should I do if I start questioning myself? Do not find love. Let love find you.
Come around what I'm trying to be. Till face say much, now I'm out of reach. Saying don't want what I can, but a lot of me. I don't keep you count.
Not gonna lie, I kinda miss these moments. Road trip with no conversation, trash talk until we got tired. We were just chilling. I remember we can just sit on the street and do nothing. I miss y'all. The day before I came to Spain, saying goodbye is still the hardest part for me. I hate it, but I have to learn. And I didn't know that was the last part with my grandpa.
身体健康啊！生日快乐，生日快乐！
你公开会点吗？
我今天知道，然后明天有个。
My boys decided to give me a surprise. They traveled all the way from Johor to Kuala Lumpur. And just to say goodbye to me. Guys, come on. Something I'm learning in my 20s is if there's something that I want to go do or go try, I'm just gonna go out and do it, despite what other people might think. For a long time, I used to struggle with that. And well, it turns out everything I ever wanted was on the other side of that fear.